married life is better than the unmarried life. In married life, you have your partner for your supporting. If you have any problem, he supports you. He listen you. And in married life, you have lots of opportunities. That's why married life is good than unmarried life.
Okay, but I think in my opinion, unmarried life is far better than married life, because for only having support system, I don't think a person should get married to someone for only having support system. I think if you are unmarried, you have also support system of your parents, of your siblings, of your friends, and you are free to go anywhere,
But your
wherever you
parents
want.
not for whole life for you.
Okay,
With you.
fine. Your parents will not be forever with you, but you have siblings.
Are also busy in their life if they are getting married.
You have
they are
friends
busy.
too. You have friends too. They also busy, but I think for having only support system,
No,
you don't need to get
your
married.
friends getting married, your siblings getting married. They are busy in their life. They are busy in their family, and they don't come to. If you have any problem, then you call your friends or siblings. I have problems, and then they didn't go in spite. Sir, my family को छोड़कर to leave their family to come to listen your problem. If you have your husband and you have any problem, he listen you and he cares
What if
about
your
you.
husband are not supportive? What if your husband are not supportive?
Why he is not supportive?
What if he are not supportive and you only married him with this for the purpose of having support system? What if he
I
is
will
not
choose
supportive?
him. Why is he? I will choose him. He will support me.
You choose him wisely. Okay, ठीक है. You
If he will not support me, I will leave him.
I will him. So why you need to marry him?
No,
Why you need to marry him? Then if you have an option to leave him, why you need to marry him? If you
I have option to also. I don't.
so don't need to marry. You enjoy your life with being unmarried.
No, it's your choice for being single. But and that at a time came when you get old. That at that time you feel loneliness. You need support. You need someone. If you are getting sick and in old age, who will come to care you?
You should adopt a child.
How
To
you
take care
adopt
of
a
your-
child if you are single?
You should adopt a child if you are single.
What about if your child doesn't marry anyone?
At
If
least
your child
he or
said
she take
you-
care of you,
Listen,
because you
listen.
adopt him, you
If-
give him, you nurture him, you give all your property to him or her. At least he take care of you when you are
if
getting
your child
old.
send you old his house, what will you do? You can't do anything. What will you do if you are nourish him, you grown him up and after marriage he changed?
But
You see the any person marry anyone, then their behavior change towards their parents.
this cases also lies in the married life. Also, married couples also send their parents in old age home. You choose a married life, and married couple also send their parents in old age home. What you are talking about?
But there is husband.
Yes.
Okay,